So here's interesting apps called Craft, Write Docs, AI Editing. So let's just tap Get to install it. Double click to install, and there you have it. Journal ideas, meeting notes. So yeah, that's basically the idea. AI assistant in your fingertips. Unleash your creativity with Craft, a powerful app for writing and organizing notes. Create, style, and structure your ideas into stunning documents. Whether it's quick thoughts, travel plans, or full-blown presentations, organize your ideas, style and structure docs, AI-powered editing, collaborate with anyone, share daily updates, export and share. So yeah, this app, as you can see, was featured in the Editor's Choice in many awards. However, I didn't actually hear about it a lot and just use it. So here, then you can just create an account with Apple, and then just you can just see how it works. And then what kind of work do you do? And then you can just select by myself. Which software you're currently using, notes. So this is basically one of the alternatives for like for Notion or for Notes app. But let's just see. So yeah, quick start, get going. And then yeah, you can just just draft and not do some documents here, just add some docs. Craft for business, document folder, members, settings. Yeah, quite cool. So yeah, that's the idea. And then you can just create a new document. You can just create quick note. You can just add plus, and then here you have this, and then yeah, you have documents like there. So and then you can just have folders. So let's just create a new document. So quite easy, like you can change the font, like all of that, quite similar to Notes app. I actually really like Mac Notes app because it's very kind of simplistic, minimalistic to use, and just to get started. And then right, so here you can just add the document title, pass through due, and then here you have this. And then yeah, so that's, and all right, so then you can also quickly add some to-do notes. I'm not like a specialist in this app, so yeah, that's just basically how you get started. So yeah, give it a try. As you can see, it's a free app. I didn't need to upgrade or anything. So yeah, there you have it.